What's up guys, it's James from JKs and today we're going to go over my storage system and my security system. So let's dive right on in. So just to quickly talk about it, I'm going to throw a clip in there. One of my favorite things about this thing is I can keep my tools underneath and my subwoofer and still have all this extra space here for groceries, camping, anything that I do. Going off-road, it's easy, just kind of throw your stuff in here, all your gear, and then go and hit the trails. It's very, very convenient. Also, it's great when we take the top off, which I will get into that. I'm going to go ahead and take this top off and kind of show you how this lines up when the top is off, so everything underneath is nice and secure. So I just got back from getting some groceries for this month, and this is why I like the Diabolical. Right here, I kept all my tools, my subwoofer, everything in there, and still have a ton of space down here. All I put down here was just some of the big stuff. It's perfect. It makes life so easy, and this is like the same thing I can do with camping. I can keep all my tools down here and not have to really worry about the stuff getting in the way. So definitely want to check these guys out. It is a great product that I would recommend to anybody. So as you can tell, I've kind of scratched it up and whatnot from being out on the trails and having stuff coming in and out and whatnot. But this system has held up just fine. I've had this for I guess a little under a year so far, and I love it. It is so nice to be able to throw all my stuff right on top and then keep everything like that down underneath. And I still have tons of room underneath. So let's go ahead and get this top off and kind of show you what it looks like when the top is off. I love that look. Okay, so as you can tell, we got the top off, right? Which is nice. What's great about this is you can put a 50-quart cooler on top as well, and then you have your tie-down straps on each side. It's fantastic. But this bar right here, you can see that, is not on normally. At least not on this model. Now they do make, this is Diabolical right here. They do make a couple different ones. They make one that about halfway, say about right here, they fold in half, so you can just kind of flip it up. And then they also make one that has a little compartment back there that you can get to from the seat. This one is completely sealed, so you cannot get to it from the back, which is actually kind of convenient. I really would never pull down the seat to grab anything, so I wouldn't personally need that one. But it is a nice feature. So what I like about this is when the top's off, it's completely sealed. You cannot get into this Jeep. You can lock all your secrets away. Anything you're trying to hide from your wife, put under here. It's perfect. She can't get to it. But yeah, seriously, this has been great storage for me. Personally, I've been loving it for pretty much everything, from grocery getting to getting on the trails. It's been fantastic. It also keeps everything underneath, you know, not dusty, so completely dust free, and that's great being on the trails, not having to deal with all the dust getting on like some of your food or stuff like that. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. This is probably one of the best storage systems that there is out there, and security systems. I mean, you can put everything underneath there, and then all you gotta do is lock your Jeep up, and boom, it's locked. You can't get into it. There's nowhere that you can access this. So definitely advise getting one if you don't have one. This is a great storage solution. It's a great security solution, and it makes packing a lot easier. So look into getting one. I would definitely suggest it. What's up everyone? So that's the end of the video. I'm standing on top of the Diabolical. As you can tell, this thing holds a lot of weight. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm going to keep on doing some cool videos, so stay tuned. Y'all have a good day.